斯诺克最吸引观众的就是台上的形势总是瞬息万变，哪怕你达到了火箭奥沙利文的境界，也会有犯低级错误的时刻。现在我们就来复盘一下斯诺克大师们的翻车现场。65比36领先，打进最后一颗红球就超分。希金斯其实只需要轻轻一推基本就可以10打9稳了。显然这一球他想法有点多，球被弹了出来。
请大家保持安静。1。
不过随后霍金斯也犯下一个低级失误，间接让希金斯超了1分。更令人费解的是，希金斯在这颗直线黄球上又犯了一模一样的错误。
小朋友，你是否有很多问号？
56比64落后，火箭只需要收了最后2颗彩球就完成绝杀。可惜就连奥沙利文这样的大师也会犯这种错误，将到手的胜利拱手让人。
Next I'll be 5. Sullivan 28.
Oh, wow, would you believe it?
John Higgins, 29.
Mr. Black. So we were right, Steve. He's struggling. He's struggling this evening for whatever reason. Would you believe it? Can only be pressure. Can only be pressure. And Nigel Bond comes back to the table with a two-point advantage, and he doesn't need the pink. This to take us into a decider.
The pink's handy off this shot.
本来16比60落后的奥沙利文，看台上彩球的布局，逆转丁俊晖其实并非难事，但是他又栽在洞口附近的半贴库球上。看来这种半贴库球还真的是世界性难题呀。
The Barbican could see that miss coming.
Well, would you believe it? Just a straightforward run through, really.
You know, he was thinking about the cannon there, and it's amazing the number of times we see that. A player takes his eye off the pot, he's just concentrating on the white. Incredible how it happens. Wow, I can't believe it. Stephen can't believe it. This Barbican crowd can't believe he's missed. That's the easiest pot I think he'll have missed. Don't think there was a kick. Amazing.
在大比分4比5落后的绝境下，墨菲迎来最好的绝杀机会，可惜角度没能打正，到手的鸭子又飞了。
Thank you. There's another match still on.
Oh, he's missed the blue.
John Higgins, what?
Took his eye off the pot. How many times do we see it? Just concentrated trying to hold that cue ball. Just decelerated slightly, and that's why he hit the blue too thin.
He's lost some of the spark that he had in winning those 8 Triple Crown titles, and where has that error come from? Goodness me.
Mark Selby.
That is incredible, but what a chance for Jack Masowski. Shouts of "Come on, Jack," and he can't believe it, and this will hurt if he can win the straight.
Well, suddenly this frame has taken on seismic qualities, hasn't it? What a miss from Selby. He can't believe it. He's seething in his chair there.
Sean Murphy, 17.
You wonder whether he could come back from that. But that's a poor miss. That's an unforced error.
Yan Bingtel, 38.
Yeah, didn't expect him to miss it, and it just showed you the difference. If he could have got the right angle on the blue, and maybe the blue, just being by the side of the cue ball, just took his eye off the pot. So it was a good chance. It's gone. The interval 3-1 down. You've got to be kidding me.
That's Selby, 47.
How on earth has he missed that? Well, I've seen it all now in this match, Ken.
I can't believe that. I don't think he can, or anybody in the audience can.
失误球常常有，但是这个小胖子戏有点多了。
How could I miss the black, he says.
Mark Allen,
Nigel
69.
coming to the table, but barring snookers, Mark Allen's through to the semi-final.
Matthew Stevens, 6.